I'm going back on the roof today. I need to sort my skylight out. This skylight was a bad idea. I didn't use any window or anything. I just got a piece of glass, double glazed glass, and I stuck it in just a piece of timber, which was screwed it anyway. Terrible stuff. Not treated timber. It wasn't protected properly. It leaked in. The glass ended up splitting. The two parts of glass ended up splitting. So I've bought myself something else. This is what I bought. For £30 and a bit of fuel and about an hour's drive, 2 hours drive, I got myself this dome light. It's from school. And that is a lot better because all I need to do is, it's got this drip thing down the side. That one was going inside a piece of wood, which was very bad. So here I just need to waterproof these timbers, screw them down. I've got myself a light, it just needs a bit of a clean. Let's go see what it looks like inside. Oh, actually it looks really good. It's a bit hard to see with the light. It's very bright. Makes everything seem so bright. It's just like a bright light. That light's flickering, that's no good. Let's turn that one off, one sec. That is sick. Wow, there's so much lighter in here now. Like, really I wanted to be able to see out, you know, see the sky and stuff. But to be honest, there's that much pollution here, like light pollution, you won't see anything at night anyway. But it's doing its job. It's a skylight and it's giving loads of light in there. So it's just started raining again. I managed to put this plastic tarp back on. I've cut out the inside, so you got still got the light coming through. Before it had no light coming through, and I'm hoping that this stays until my next dry day. I live in Manchester, UK. You can go check online, see what the weather's like there. It rains a lot. I just need to wait for it to be dry again, and then I can finish off the rest of the roof. I've got a rubber MDPE or whatever it's called, a rubber kit for the shed roof. So I just need to put that down whenever I've got another dry spell. there and a gap at the top. Sand it down. So originally I was going to put these panels on, well I did put them on for the roof to infill between the reciprocal roof, all those empty panels. The problem is they're not all exactly straight, so you can see there's just lines and gaps in between, and I just ran short of, I didn't have enough panels. What I did was, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these are the floorboards that I used for the cladding, for example the back of that and for the front of the cabin, and I've just planed one side down and they actually look really cool, so I'm going to overlap them. So I had my kids in the cabin before. I was cold, I had my big puffy coat on and it was 13 degrees, so put a fire on. And this room, I don't know if you can see, but mate, I'm sweating. This is not good. This is very hot. I've opened the windows. I've tried to put the fire out, but I'm just waiting for it to go out. Oh, it's nice out here. Got a bit of a problem. My cabin is just full of bits of wood everywhere. That's also why I wanted to do a fire, because I thought if I could burn some of it, get rid of it. I don't want to throw it, because then it'll come winter and I would have regretted it, but I don't just want to store it for the heck of it, you know what I mean? I think that looks great. Once that's sanded down, I think it looks a bit better than that in a way. And it's just a lot easier to do. So the hardest bit on this is cutting out the, you got that the corner beam is round, that log. So to cut around that's probably the hardest bit. But I did do it on this side. I did that quite nicely actually. All the ceiling's basically done. Got the corners to do, but there's just a bit of scribing to do there, which I just need a bit more time in the moment. I'm just in between things, in between jobs, and just come in here. That one there, I've done that corner because I already had one piece which had been scribed, but it's taken a bit of time doing this. Well, that's it for this part of the video. I've done the ceiling, put in that dome roof. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I want to do. There you go. Done these, just added these wall panels. A bit dark so you can't see it so well, but I've just added a bit of panelling on the wall. A bit on this side. I'm going to clean them up with a burnisher. I'm not going to plane them or sand them. I just want to get a bit of the dirt off, but I want to keep the colour. And then I've added this little jamb for the door, because at least the door's got somewhere to jam onto. Well, there you go. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did, consider subscribing. Yeah, catch you on the next one.